Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How much does a full home renovation cost? There are a lot of factors that contribute to your renovation's overall cost. More on that later. According to Service Seeking, minor renovations can cost as little as $20,000, but you can easily go over $300,000 for a complete transformation.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The answer to this question will depend upon your home, your budget and your needs. In cities where homes are less expensive, it is often cheaper to buy than to build. In cities and neighborhoods that are in high demand, it may be cheaper to build an addition or renovate outdated spaces.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.